Hi, it's Robert Salter, the Owl Man. It's the 10th of May, and today we're out checking for young Tawny owls. Tawny owls usually lay their eggs in March, so we try and coincide this visit with the Tawny owls having young ones. In this box we've got one young owlet. Broods of 2 and 3 are common, but in good years a brood of 4. This owlet is around 3 weeks old and in good condition, well fed. I'm now going to issue this owlet with a BTO ring, the British Trust for Ornithology. Each ring has a unique number, so if this owl is ever found in the future, we'll know where it was ringed, how old it is and how far it's travelled. All vital information in the monitoring of this species. It's quick and painless and causes no harm whatsoever. Making sure that the ring is nice and tight with no gap in it. A measurement of its 7th primary. All notes taken down. And then it's back in the box. All the best for the future. Thanks. Bye.